Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Zoll Crew Scheduler Account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and in the search area at the top type in Zoll Crew Scheduler Login and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the next page where you can see all of the search results based on your search. Click on this first link that says Login to Crew Scheduler-Zoll and you'll end up in the login area. Type in your company ID in the first text box and head over to the next field and type in your login name. Now, enter the password that is associated with your account in the password text box. And finally, click on the login button in order to get access to your account. Zoll Crew Scheduler is a scheduling solution that can be customized to the needs of your operation to boost crew satisfactions, reduce overtime costs, and much more. That is how you can easily log into Zoll Crew Scheduler account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.